Gaming phones have entered a new era, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology like never before. And today, we're pitting two titans against each other, the ROG Phone 9 Pro and the RedMagic 10 Pro. From jaw-dropping displays to cutting-edge hardware, these phones redefine what it means to game on the go. So, which one deserves a spot in your gaming arsenal? Let's explore. The RedMagic 10 Pro comes with a massive 6.85-inch BOE Q9 Plus OLED display. Its resolution of 2688 by 1116 pixels ensures visuals are sharp and vibrant, while the 144Hz refresh rate makes every frame buttery smooth. Add that to a peak brightness of 2000 nits, and you've got a screen that thrives in any lighting condition, whether you're indoors or outdoors. But that's not all. The under-display selfie camera means there's no punch hole or notch interrupting your gameplay, a feature gamers absolutely love for immersive sessions. The ROG Phone 9 Pro counters with a slightly smaller 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED display. Its 2400 by 1080 resolution doesn't quite match the RedMagic's, and its refresh rate is capped at 120 Hz. However, what it lacks in refresh rate, it compensates for with Victus 2 protection, making it more durable against scratches and drops. Plus, its peak brightness of 2500 nits is even brighter than the RedMagic, making it perfect for gamers under direct sunlight. If you value refresh rates and immersive design, the RedMagic 10 Pro takes the lead. But if durability and brightness are your priorities, the ROG Phone 9 Pro shines brighter. When it comes to aesthetics, the RedMagic 10 Pro goes all out. With its transparent components and RGB lighting, it screams gamer in every sense. Available in unique designs like transparent black and silver wing, it retains its gamer-focused vibe with an active cooling system that keeps temperatures in check during long sessions. The transparent back also lets you glimpse the inner workings of the phone, adding a futuristic touch. The ROG Phone 9 Pro, on the other hand, opts for a more understated but premium design. Available in Phantom Black and a potential white variant, it features sleek finishes that blend sophistication with functionality. Asus also includes thoughtful accessories like the Aero Active Cooler X, which not only keeps the phone cool, but also provides extra controls for extended gaming marathons. This modular design adds versatility for those who want more from their gaming phone. The choice here is subjective. Go for the RedMagic if you want a bold, gamer-centric design. Opt for the ROG phone if you prefer a refined and professional look that still packs a punch. Both phones are armed with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. However, each phone has its own approach to maximizing this power. The RedMagic 10 Pro pairs the Snapdragon 8 Elite with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. For those seeking ultimate performance, the Pro Plus variant takes things further, with up to 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. What sets the RedMagic apart is its proprietary R3 gaming chip, which optimizes gameplay at 120 frames per second in 2K resolution. This ensures smoother gameplay with less power consumption, making it ideal for competitive gamers. The ROG Phone 9 Pro, while also equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, is rumored to offer up to 24 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. While its storage technology is slightly slower than the RedMagic's, its performance remains stellar. Asus also brings software enhancements like Armory Crate, allowing users to fine-tune performance settings for different games. This gives the ROG phone an edge for gamers who like to customize their gaming experience. For raw specs, the RedMagic 10 Pro pulls ahead, but if you value software customizations and a more polished experience, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is a strong contender. Gaming sessions can push any phone to its limits, but both contenders have robust cooling solutions to handle the heat. The RedMagic 10 Pro boasts an active cooling system that incorporates a built-in fan and advanced heat dissipation materials. This ensures stable performance, even during marathon gaming sessions. The fan is quiet yet effective, and it's a feature that sets the RedMagic apart from most gaming phones. The ROG Phone 9 Pro, in contrast, takes a modular approach. Its optional Aero Active Cooler X not only cools the device, but also adds extra buttons and grips for enhanced gaming control. This accessory is a game changer for serious gamers who want more than just cooling. It's an innovative solution that caters to the players who prefer customization and added functionality. The RedMagic excels in built-in cooling, while the ROG phone's modular approach adds versatility. Your choice depends on whether you prefer convenience or customization. Battery life is critical for gaming phones, and both devices deliver big in this department. The RedMagic 10 Pro packs a 6500 mAh battery, supporting 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. If you opt for the Pro Plus model, you get an even larger 7500 mAh battery with 120W wired charging, a feature that ensures you're back in the game faster than ever. The larger battery also means you can game for hours without worrying about running out of juice. The ROG Phone 9 Pro features a slightly smaller 5800 mAh battery, while it supports 65W wired and 15W wireless charging. It falls short of the RedMagic's capabilities in terms of speed and capacity. However, the ROG Phone compensates with battery care features that prolong battery health over time. The RedMagic 10 Pro dominates this category with its massive battery and ultra-fast charging. If endurance and charging speed are your top priorities, it's the clear winner. While gaming phones aren't typically known for their cameras, both devices have stepped up their game. The RedMagic 10 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. Its under-display 16MP front camera is perfect for gamers who want uninterrupted visuals. While its focus is on gaming, the RedMagic still delivers respectable photography capabilities. The ROG Phone 9 takes a more versatile approach. Its 50MP Sony IMX700 main camera is paired with a 13MP ultra-wide lens and a standout 32MP telephoto lens with optical zoom. This makes it a better choice for those who care about photography alongside gaming. The 32MP front-facing camera also delivers higher resolution selfies and streams, making it ideal for content creators. For versatility and better camera performance, the ROG Phone 9 Pro edges ahead. However, if you're purely focused on gaming, the RedMagic setup is more than sufficient. Pricing often plays a crucial role in choosing the right gaming phone, and here the two devices take very different approaches. The RedMagic 10 Pro starts at an incredibly competitive $690 for the 12x256GB model, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus variant offers top-tier specs at a higher but still reasonable price point, catering to those who want the best of the best without spending a fortune. The ROG Phone 9 Pro, on the other hand, is expected to start at $1,390 for the 12x512GB variant. This premium pricing reflects its refined design, additional accessories, and camera versatility. While it's significantly more expensive than the RedMagic, it's a worthwhile investment for those who value premium features and brand reliability. If budget is a priority, the RedMagic 10 Pro offers unmatched value. For those willing to spend more on premium features, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is worth considering. So, which gaming beast reigns supreme? The RedMagic 10 Pro is a gamer's dream with its massive battery, ultra-fast charging, and immersive under-display camera. It's perfect for those who want cutting-edge gaming performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the ROG Phone 9 Pro stands out with its refined design, versatile cameras, and thoughtful accessories, making it ideal for gamers seeking a premium experience. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities. Are you all about raw gaming power and value for money, or do you prefer a balanced flagship experience with premium features? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech battles.